Hi everyone, welcome to IEMLabs. Today we are going to talk about how we can overcome the CMDLET problem which a developer may face during developing a web application. So the CMDLET problem basically refers to the situation in which a developer might face during execution of specific commands, such as over here I am trying to run this Angular application locally, but I can't run this command in my PowerShell, and my PowerShell is not understanding this specific command. So over here you might come across a keyword named CMDLET, which is basically a log, typically exists as a small script that is intended to perform a single specific function. The PowerShell runtime invokes these CMDLETs within the context of automation scripts that are provided at the command line. The PowerShell runtime also invokes them programmatically through PowerShell APIs. So right now, before running the ng command, we have to install Angular CLI. So the command here is so let's check it first. Now after running the ngserve command, as you can see, my global Angular CLI version is 13.2.0, which is installed right now, but the local version is smaller than the current version. As you can see now, the project is executed. So let's check it. And now it works. Thank you.